sports bar over on the south side. Get a couple of Coronas, couple of limes. Went up to the bar and saw a couple of dimes. So I slowly walked up and said, huh, my name's Ludacris and I'm a hell of a guy. One said, I know who you are, I'm your number one fan. And right now it's too bad I got a man. And I said, I understand. But where the hell is he at? Cause in a minute if he don't show up, then man.
If I take one more drink, I'm gonna end up fucking you. Is that what you wanna do, shorty? If I take one more drink, I'm gonna end up fucking you. You
Hey, Payne, holla at him right quick, man.
You gon' get in trouble with your man, girl.
Don't get in trouble, girl.
Talking about how you're my biggest fan, girl.
I know it, I know it.
Now I don't wanna do what you gon' make me do.
All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, this install was like super easy and quick. I have really been loving, which I've said before, like just the natural, you know, effortless looks, like looking like it's really coming out of our hairline. It's really like our hair. I've been enjoying that look, just, you know, a nice effortless look. So this hair, or this wig I should say, is from West Kiss Hair. This is their Body Wave 22-inch wig. I do believe I have a 180% density. And yeah, I cannot remember the lace color or anything like that, but I will put it down in the description box. When it comes to this wig, plucking wise, I did very little plucking. I did not bleach the knots on this bad boy. I just wanted to like be able to see if I could like almost throw it on out of the box, right out of the box. Because I didn't even wash this hair because I like the waves in the hair. Now y'all know with this being body wave, as soon as you wash it, it's gonna be more of like it's gonna be real poofy, or like, you know, it's gonna be like textured straight hair. So I just wanted to keep the waves and all of that. So I just kind of added me a little bit of foam mousse to kind of activate the waves that were still in there. Also, this is a 13x6 wig, so the parting space on this one, it goes all the way back here, which I love. Okay, I love me a 13x6. Now, it is a lace front wig, so you're getting about an inch and a half of parting space on the side, but you do get a bulk of the parting space in the middle. So of course, if I wanted to, of course, if I wanted to do some parting, I could. As you can see, you get a lot of space there, which I know I love my flip over, babe. Like easy breezy, out the door type look. So, but 13x6s like are my favorite because you get a lot more parting space. We need parting space, like especially for my girls like me that have lower hairlines. It's important to have as much parting space as possible to make the wig look as realistic, because when you have those small parting spaces, it makes the wig look it makes it look like a wig. It makes it look really wiggy, in my opinion. That's my opinion though. Me too have gotten this wig and pretty much put it on right out of the box. Like when I say I did very minimal plucking, like I started plucking it and was like, nah, I don't even want to do it. So yeah, like it looks really good. I put a little bit of like the leftover foundation that's on my brush. I just, you know, did my usual tap to like further blend the hair into my skin. But yeah, and then as y'all saw, I didn't even really do like my full blown like install method. I just put this on top, put my elastic band on, and was good to go. So y'all, this was a super easy install. This is definitely a beginner friendly wig. If you just want to tap into wigs and want to like start from the beginning, but you feel like you got to do a lot to get the look, no. As y'all can see, like this looks really natural. Sometimes, or a lot of the times, honestly, less is more. You know, less is more, like, you know, and it's definitely giving like, babe, this is my hair, like, or, you know, I might have added a little something, but this is my hair out of my scalp. This is what it's giving. So I really love that. West Kiss never disappoints me. I don't even know. I mean, I've worked with West Kiss for a very long time, since I've been doing videos here on YouTube. And I can honestly not really remember a time where I was disappointed with them. I mean, you know, maybe, but for the past couple of years, for sure, I haven't had any complaints with them. Like, they are genuinely one of my favorite companies. They would definitely be in my top 5. Seriously, like, definitely check out West Kiss Hair. I'm going to have the information down in the description box, of course, if you're interested in this wig and or this company. But I want to thank them so much for always working with me and for always, you know, supporting me. I love West Kiss so much. And I also want to thank you all as well for always supporting my channel and watching my videos. I love y'all so much. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns for me, of course, leave them down below. And yeah, I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.